for the show? Is my sea lion ready for the show? Oh yeah, you guys get it? He's ready. And are you guys ready for the show? Okay, you know what? I think my sea lion may still be a bit louder than you guys. Okay, I'll ask you one more time. Are you guys ready for the show? Alright, now it's time to take a dive into the western coast of the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time to meet our Californian sea lion. You guys are in for a splashing good time today. Welcoming all of you to the one Pedro, the Flash Safari. Alright, good job, Pedro. Now everybody, please put your hands together for our sea lion Pedro and his trainer Clara. Alright, and you know what? Let's wave hello to them as well. Hi Rachel. Hi Clara, sorry, hi Pedro. Okay, now sea lions are fascinating creatures. They can live both on land as well as in the water. They can dive up to depths of 300 meters. They can hold their breath for up to 12 minutes. And, okay, I'm sorry everybody, give me a minute. Hi Clara, what's up?
Hi. Well, Pedro is upset with you.
Oh, he's upset with me. Is it because I called your name wrong, Clara?
Well, that's one. You also forgot something very important about him.
Something very important. Oh my gosh, you're right. I'm so sorry, Pedro. I forgot to mention that not only are sea lions very intelligent animals, Pedro over here is also very good looking as well. Isn't that right, Pedro? Now it's time to show them how strong your front two flippers are with a flipper stand. Alright, look at that. That is 200 kilograms on those front two flippers. And one more time for everyone, Pedro. Wow. Now, sea lions are often mistaken for another animal, and I'm talking about the true seal. So true seals have much shorter front flippers, and as a result, they can look quite different on land. Now, Pedro, would you like to show us how a true seal looks like on land? And how does a true seal move on land? Look at that, he's so slow and sluggish. Oh, he's back to being a sea lion. Oh wow, look at that, he has a flipper walk. Oh, and some spin, spin, spin. And more spinning like a ballerina, Pedro. Oh, and some hippity hops as well. And a roll over, oh my goodness, Pedro. You are so full of moves today. Now guys, I think what Pedro wants is a big round of applause. Good job, Pedro. Now you guys have seen how a sea lion and a seal look like on land. Would you guys like to see how fast Pedro over here can swim? Oh wow, I'm not hearing a yes at all. Pedro doesn't look very convinced. Would you guys like to see how fast Pedro can swim? Alright, Pedro, you heard them. Come on, let's go. Pedro. Pedro, what's up now?
He doesn't want to swim.
He doesn't want to swim. But why? Pedro, you are a sea lion.
Well, he said he saw something big and scary in the pool just now.
Something big and scary in the pool? Pedro, you know what? I don't believe you because I don't see anything. Do you guys see anything? No, right? Okay, Pedro, can you help me check over there? And then I'll check over here for you, okay? Pedro, don't cover your eyes. You're supposed to check the pool for me. Pedro, let's go. You have to go swim now. Stop being so shy, Pedro. Alright, let's go, Pedro. Okay, I'll check over here, okay? I don't see anything. Just, oh my goodness, a shark. Pedro, if there was a shark in the pool, you would eat dinner already. Let's go, let's see. Alright, now that is 40 kilometers per hour as fast as a moving car. Oh, and it shows off his streamlined body with a belly slide. Alright, good job, Pedro. Now, for showing off his skills, I think Pedro deserves a big round of applause. Alright, now just now I mentioned that sea lions are very intelligent, right? And they're actually so intelligent that they are used by the US Navy in search and rescue missions. Now, if you guys focus your attention on the glass panel, you will see that what Pedro is currently exhibiting is called the corkscrew behavior. Lions have a special membrane covering the eyes, which allows them to see clearly both in and out of the pool. To the test again. So what we're going to do now is our trainer Clara is going to lay Pedro down right there. Yes, that's right, Pedro. And she's going to put one juicy piece of fish right there just in front of Pedro. Now Pedro can see the fish and he can smell the fish. But he's not going to take that piece of fish. And the reason is because his signal to get that piece of fish is actually one single clap from his trainer Clara. But today we are going to try and distract Pedro, okay? Can we do that, everyone? Yes, we can, right? Okay, everybody. So on the count of 3, let's do one single clap, okay, everyone? 1, 2, 3. Okay, not bad, but some of you are a bit too fast, a bit too slow, okay? Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, Pedro has not moved at all. Okay, let's not give up. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, everybody put your hands up high. Hands up high, everyone. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, good job, everyone. All of you are so easy to train. Okay, I'm just kidding, Clara. Back to you. Alright, now that's what we call intelligence and self-control. And the reason why Pedro didn't take that piece of fish is because he knows he's about to get a whole lot more for a job well done. Now everybody, I think our good boy Pedro deserves a big round of applause. That's right. Okay, now that we are done with the fun and games, I'm here to talk about a more serious topic, and that is the ocean's deadliest monster. Now that is not killer whales or sharks, what I'm talking about is actually plastic. So every year, millions of marine animals are killed because they mistake this plastic waste for food, and as a result, they eat it, they drown, and they die. So we have plastic waste like the one Pedro has right over there in his mouth, and they can be found commonly around oceans all over the world. So the first example of plastic waste is fishing lines. So fishing lines left behind by fishermen can get caught around sea lions' flippers, resulting in what we know as a broken flipper. Look at that, that's how a sea lion walks with a broken flipper, doesn't it? Looks so beautiful. And secondly, we have fishing nets. So fishing nets left behind by fishermen can get caught around sea lions' bodies. And what happens, Pedro? They drown and they die. Look at that, that's so sad, isn't it, Pedro? Okay, you can come back to life now, Pedro. Alright! Good job, Pedro. Now, in order to combat the ocean's deadliest monster, we can practice the 3 R's. And I'm talking about reduce, reuse, and recycle. So firstly, we have reduce. So instead of using plastic bags, we can use reusable canvas bags, like the one Pedro has right over there in his mouth. And you guys can find it from the Singapore Zoo gift shop. And secondly, we have reuse. So instead of using plastic bottles, we can use reusable water bottles just like the one Pedro is holding over there. And you guys will find water coolers all around the Singapore Zoo in case you run out of water. And lastly, we have recycle. So the other day, Pedro was showing me a very cute example of how he recycles. And you know what? I think he would like to show all of you today as well. So what Pedro does is, he sees the nearest plastic waste, he swims around, he uses his sea lion GPS to find the nearest recycling bin, and he bins it! Now if Pedro can do it, I'm sure all of you here can as well. Now once again, I think what Pedro would like right now is a big round of applause! Good job, Pedro! Now before all of you go, he has one last surprise. So this is what sea lions exhibit in the wild to escape from predators. So they exhibit a series of hops in and out of the water. And Pedro would like to show all